Now, avoiding a catastrophe from snow on your roof. Concern is up after recent roof collapses, including the school in Foster, but the professionals say there are precautions you should take before going up to clear the snow yourself. The story is all new at 6:30, and Eyewitness News reporter Stephen Schuler joins us live with the mobile newsroom. Stephen?
Well, Nika, we all know there seems to be snow just about everywhere you look these days. And with no clear end in sight, we went straight to the experts to find out how you can protect your roof against this non-stop winter weather. From Foster's Isaac Payne Elementary School to this Stoughton, Massachusetts storefront, heavy wet snow is taking down roofs across southern New England.
It's definitely a problem with the weight. These buildings have been designed for a certain amount of weight, and it's starting to exceed that.
As winter weather continues to hit Rhode Island week after week, local roofers are working around the clock to clear the snow piling up on homes and businesses.
We'll go out and we'll shovel the roof off. We'll strip the shingles and the sheathing, and we'll go up and marry new trusses onto the existing.
Experts advise homeowners to stay off their roofs and avoid using ladders on icy, uneven surfaces. Instead, they say you can check for warning signs like bending trusses from inside your attic or from your yard.
You'll be able to see them from the outside. You'll see where the trusses won't be as straight. You'll see them actually caving in.
In addition to clearing your roof, roofers tell us it's also important to keep your gutters clean to prevent serious water damage.
Proper drainage is a very big issue with the weather we're having this year, and it can probably save your roof and save internal damage in your house.
Now, if you do hear any cracking or spot any bending or caving in your roof, experts say it's always best to call the professionals. It also might be a good idea to have your roof inspected again in the spring to see if it suffered any serious damage through the winter weather. Live with the mobile newsroom, I'm Stephen Schuler, Eyewitness News.